Russia's recent large-scale drone and missile attack on Ukraine has resulted in 3 fatalities and significant power outages, underscoring the persistent conflict despite ongoing peace negotiations. This operation involved over 650 drones and 30 missiles, highlighting the intense military engagement and its impact on regional stability. The continued aggression from Russia not only affects geopolitical dynamics, but also influences defense technology markets as nations reassess their security needs in light of such threats. In a significant development for international defense trade, Raytheon has secured a $1.7 billion contract to supply Spain with 4 Patriot fire units. This deal marks Spain's largest procurement of the Patriot system, reflecting a strategic enhancement of its defense capabilities. The contract underscores the growing demand for advanced missile defense systems amid rising global tensions and the need for robust national security frameworks. L3Harris has been awarded a contract worth up to $843 million to produce 18 infrared satellites for the Space Development Agency. These satellites are designed to bolster missile detection capabilities, a critical component in modern defense strategies. The contract highlights the increasing importance of space-based technologies in national defense as countries seek to enhance their surveillance and early warning systems against potential threats. The Federal Communications Commission's recent decision to regulate foreign uncrewed aircraft systems, UAS, and components is reshaping the drone market landscape. This move is expected to benefit domestic suppliers by reducing reliance on foreign technology, particularly from China, amid ongoing strategic competition. The decision reflects broader efforts to secure supply chains and enhance technological sovereignty in critical sectors. The Belgian Navy's successful test of the Skeldar V-200 unmanned helicopter marks a significant advancement in its mine detection capabilities. This unmanned system enhances the Navy's operational effectiveness in maritime security, particularly in detecting and neutralizing naval mines. The integration of such advanced technologies into naval operations is crucial for maintaining maritime safety and security. President Donald Trump has announced a new class of naval ships dubbed the Golden Fleet, with Huntington Ingalls positioned as a key beneficiary. This announcement signifies a major investment in naval capabilities, aiming to modernize and expand the U.S. Navy's operational fleet. The initiative is expected to drive significant growth for Huntington Ingalls, as it plays a central role in the construction and development of these advanced vessels. Turning to the markets, AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, saw its stock rise by 2.48% to $261.72, driven by the FCC's decision impacting the drone sector. This regulatory shift is expected to benefit domestic drone manufacturers like AeroVironment, as it reduces competition from foreign producers and enhances the market for U.S.-made drone technologies. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, experienced a 0.65% increase in its stock price, reaching $136.02. The FCC's decision to regulate foreign UAS components is likely to boost demand for Amphenol's products, as the company supplies critical components for the aerospace and defense sectors. This regulatory change supports the growth trajectory for component suppliers in the U.S. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw a modest gain of 0.17%, closing at $81.67. The company issued a letter of intent to L3Harris for 60 Zeus hypersonic system rocket motors, signaling a strategic push into hypersonic technologies. This move positions Kratos to capitalize on the growing demand for advanced defense systems, enhancing its market presence and growth potential. Raytheon Technologies, ticker symbol RTX, rose by 0.34% to $186.30, following the announcement of its $1.7 billion contract with Spain. This substantial deal not only strengthens Raytheon's order book, but also highlights its leadership in missile defense systems, providing a solid foundation for future growth in international markets. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, increased by 0.29%, reaching $354.56. The announcement of the Golden Fleet class of naval ships positions Huntington Ingalls as a pivotal player in the U.S. Navy's modernization efforts. This development is expected to drive long-term growth for the company, given its central role in the construction of these new vessels. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. AeroVironment benefits from FCC's UAS decision, boosting domestic drone market prospects. 2. Raytheon's $1.7 billion Spain contract underscores strong international defense demand. 3. Kratos expands hypersonic capabilities, enhancing its defense technology portfolio.